Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have been sitting here for about maybe 20 to 30 minutes trying to figure out my camera settings, because before I was looking like really orangish and now my background is looking a little bit blue. I've been trying to adjust like the white balance and things like that, but obviously this is a new camera. I don't really know the settings and like how it works yet, so this video lighting and like colors might be a little bit rough, so just bear with me. I have an appointment to go to at 1:30, so I can no longer sit here any longer and play with my camera settings. It is 12:50 right now. So yeah, we have to get ready. Recently I've been loving this primer. It is the Rimmel Insta Flawless Perfecting Radiant Primer. If you guys watch my channel, you know I love like radiant or like luminous dewy primers. I feel like it gives your skin such a like healthy looking glow from within. And I don't know, I have like dry skin too. It has like kind of like a thick texture to it, so it would be good at like filling in pores and things like that. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir. This is again a new makeup product that I've been trying recently, and I love it. It also gives a really dewy look to the skin, and I'm going to be buffing that out with my Morphe Y7 foundation brush. I have not yet used these brushes, but now I'm going to have to use it sometime. If you guys ever use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer, have you guys noticed like if you put it under your eyes, it like kind of burns your eyes? I don't know. To blend my concealer out, I'm going to be using the Morphe Y10 brush. To set, I'm going to be using the Coty Airspun Loose Powder. I'm going to be doing like a little bit of baking, but just right under my under eyes because I do not like a matte finish. This is just to set it, and I'm going to be going and on my chin because I always get creasing on my chin like first. Then I'm going to be contouring with my Rimmel Natural Bronzer. Again, another new thing that I've been trying out recently and have been loving. I don't like to fully bake. I honestly just like to sit the powder on the under eyes and kind of bring whatever powder I dusted off and kind of set the rest of my face. And I'm using the Y1 brush to dust that all away. Now I'm going to move on to my brows using the brow pomade that I always use. Done. And I'm going to move on to my mascara. I'm going to be going for a natural look today. Someone asked me yesterday, oh my god, what lipstick are you wearing? And I was like, what lipstick? And she was like, the lipstick you're wearing. And I was like, I'm not wearing lipstick. I never wear lipstick. I just have like very bright colored lips naturally. I just end up putting like a gloss on. This is the Wet n Wild Hello Halo Mega Glow Liquid Highlighter. I've been obsessed with this. I'm gonna brush my hair and stuff and get dressed. It's 1:11 right now, so I gotta go pretty soon. Okay, so here is what my hair looks like now. It was definitely way more blonde when I first got it done, and it definitely grown out by now. I think the last time I got it done was over a year ago. So yeah, as you can see, the blonde is very faded. It's like
it's so heavy. So I'm going to wash it out with purple shampoo, and then we're going to tone it with, it's called SPV, it's Special Pastel Violet, so that'll get like the yellowy tones out. It just makes it like a prettier blonde.
So I am now home. It's a little bit later at night and I didn't really get any good footage because I wanted to go home and straighten it. But this is now what my hair looks like. As you can see, the blonde is brought up way higher. My hair looks longer and way more like shiny than it did in the last clip that you saw, because I know I kind of ended the video on like a weird stop with her drying my hair. I didn't really get much footage after that. But yeah, this was the final product. I really love it and I am so beyond obsessed with it. A big thank you to Rose for doing my hair and letting me film. She's super chill. And I honestly go to her whenever I need my hair ombre because I love how she does it. All of her information will be in the description, so please go check her out if you're local to me. And as you can see, she does a beyond amazing job and I'm just so satisfied with everything that she's ever done to my hair. So like I said before, if you guys are local to my area, she's in the Palmer Park Mall at Holiday Hair. And she's also the person that I went to last year when I made the video with my sister. She also done my hair in that video as well. But that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love all of you guys so much, and bye guys.